This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp vorta, a delicious and spicy mash. This traditional dish is a favorite in Bangladeshi cuisine, known for its bold flavors. We will use about 12 to 14 ounces of fresh shrimp, along with key aromatics like 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 inch of fresh ginger. For that signature kick, we'll incorporate 2 to 4 dried red chilies and several fresh green chilies, all brought together with 3 to 4 tablespoons of pungent mustard oil. First, ensure your 12 to 14 ounces of shrimp are thoroughly cleaned, deveined, and patted dry. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink. Be careful not to overcook them. In the same pan, fry 2 to 4 dried red chilies until they are slightly browned. Then, sauté 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 inch of julienne ginger until they become soft and fragrant. Now, transfer the perfectly cooked shrimp and the fragrant fried dried chilies into a food processor. Add the softened onion, garlic, and ginger from the pan. Pulse the mixture a few times until it achieves a coarse, chunky texture. We are aiming for a mash, not a smooth paste. Next, transfer this flavorful mixture to a serving bowl. Stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped raw onion, 2 to 3 finely chopped fresh green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. To complete your shrimp vorta, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw mustard oil over the mixture. This adds a distinctive, pungent flavor. Season with salt to taste, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Gently toss all the ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined. Your delicious shrimp vorta is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with hot, plain white rice, or you can enjoy it as a spicy and savory side dish with your favorite meals. Enjoy this authentic taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.